If you're constantly repeating prompts, you're doing too much. There's a better way that most people still aren't using. In this video, we're going to learn about what prompt files are and the right way to use them. Let's jump right in. Prompt files are reusable markdown files that define instructions or context for chat sessions. You reference them in chat to provide consistent, repeatable prompts across your team or workflow. Here, what we're looking at is the VS Code documentation that covers prompt files in detail. But let's go ahead and take a look at an example to see it in action. Now, what we're looking at is a script.js file for a calculator app. And as you can see on the left-hand side here under the Explorer, there's quite a few other files associated with it. One of which is under a GitHub folder for prompts. You'll see quiz open files. And this is a prompt file that I've created that will allow me to have VS Code quiz me on the code for the open files. And this is a great way for me to study new code that Copilot had created for me. So if I hit slash and type in Q, you'll see that there's quiz open files. And when I execute this, it generates basically tech questions for the code that it sees in its context. And as you can see, it does this in a multiple choice format. And this is a result of the prompt file that I created. And what makes this great as a prompt file is during the course of development, this is an action that I might want to repeat several times. And I would not want to repeat this prompt because there's a lot of detail that's involved with the prompt. When we open the UI for agent customizations, by clicking the cog icon, and I'll go back to just reopen it to show you. The cog icon was right here to open customizations. I can simply hop over to prompts and see the prompt files that are available, the built-in ones and the custom ones that I created, such as quiz open files. And you can see the work that it's supposed to do, to quiz me on the code in currently open files and to generate 5 multiple choice questions. And then there's several rules involved. So this is all information that I would not want to have to keep on repeating. If this was a prompt I would just want to do once per project, then there's no sense in creating a prompt file. But because this is something that I might want to do for several files within a project, if it's not for the script file, maybe it's for the index file, maybe it's for the package.json, and I'd want to be quizzed on any one of those, it makes perfect sense to have a prompt file such as this. But now let's turn our attention to creating a new one from scratch. Let's say I wanted to create a prompt file for minimizing bloated code. So for example, we're looking at the script.js file. Maybe this could be refactored to be shorter, or maybe not, but it would be nice to have a prompt that can do that work and then explain to me what it did. Why don't we go ahead and hit slash and start typing in create, and now we have our options to create from several customization features. One is to create a prompt, and then I'll say to simplify and reduce bloated code and tell me what you did. And we'll be more specific here for this particular scenario. So it doesn't just do it for the whole project, and say for open files. So it looks like it went ahead and did it. As I look through the details, it looks like it did it at the workspace level. So now if we go to our agent customizations, we should see it right under workspace, simplify code. And it's literally as easy as that. And we could at now this point review it and modify it accordingly or ask Copilot to modify it. Now, there is one thing that I'd like to have it change is instead of at the workspace level, I'm going to have it move it to be at the user level so that I could use this nice prompt in other projects. Thanks for creating the prompt file, but can you change it so that it's at the user level so that I can use it for other projects and not just for this one? All right, so now it moved it to my user profile and we see it under built-in now. So let's go ahead and give this a shot. Simplify and reduce bloated code. I'm actually really excited to see what it does, because this way you can make note of which models tend to be a little bit more efficient versus others. And when I say more efficient, I mean in terms of the way that it writes code that is not bloated. Okay, looks like it's made some changes here, and it describes exactly what it did to simplify the code, starting out with the extracting and some hoisting. and some code that it replaced, in addition to simplification of some keyboard handlers. Nice. And again, the reason why this makes sense to be a prompt file, because as you continue building your projects, this is something you'd want to use over and over. So in short, the reason why this matters is instead of having to rewrite prompts, you can define them once and reuse them across your project, which means faster workflows and consistent AI behavior. To learn more about other customization features produced by our community, check out Awesome Copilot at this URL here. Hope this video helps you rethink how you interact when prompting. Before you go, let me know in the comments, what prompt files have you created? Thanks for joining, and I will see you in the next one.